Hey, hey, are you ready to draw something fierce yet fun? Today's flower is a tiger lily. It's all bold triangles and sweeping curves. No circles today. For step one of this tutorial, you want to start with 3 triangles. I'm using an H pencil where I can lightly sketch the base and have an idea of where I want my petals to go. For the second step, I'm going to add a long curvy line for the stem, then add more curves to connect each triangle. Step 3 is very easy. You're going to sketch the base of the leaves, which is going to be a simple straight or curved line branching from the stem. Step 4 is where you start to form your petals. Tiger lily petals curve backward in a dramatic way, but don't be intimidated by those curves. Think of each petal as a slender almond or a wide crescent. Make the strokes playful and light, and the flower will feel graceful and free. Fun fact, in many cultures, tiger lilies stand for wealth, pride, and personal power. The orange blossom symbolizes confidence, pride, passion, and energy. Red is for love, courage, and strength. Yellow is for joy, happiness, and friendship. And white is for innocence, renewal, and a brand new start. I like the sound of that. If you want the color version of this bloom, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications to catch the color tutorial coming soon. And leave me a comment. What color should I make this tiger lily? And let me know what flower I should draw next. While I'm sketching, let me tell you about these pencils. I'm using a mix of H and B pencils. And since it's been a while since I've shaded, this is a great chance to rediscover how they behave. The H pencil is harder, lighter, and perfect for fine, confident lines, while the B pencil is softer, richer, and great for building shadows. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. Step 5. Now shape the stem and leaves. Sketch smooth curved lines for the stem and simple leaf bases along that. Keep them lightly drawn. This is all about form, not shading. Remember, we're going from line to shape to flower. Step 6. This is where you get to add details and dimension. I'm still learning, so I had to go to the experts. They say contrast and depth are all about layering. They encourage using scribbles, cross-hatching, or even stippling to bring your drawing to life. So, take a moment to unwind. Sit back, breathe deep, and let the music guide you as I add depth and dimension to this tiger lily. No rush, just enjoy the process. Step 7. You've completed all of your shading, all of your details, and now all you have to do is erase any mistakes that's left. And that's it. There's your tiger lily, an easy drawing in 7 steps, bold, confident, and totally unique. I'm going to give you an A+, and I'm going to pat myself on the back. This is my first time attempting to do any type of shading, and it wasn't too bad. Thanks for coming with me on my creative art journey. Click on the playlist to keep drawing with me. Alright, I'm going to go and get back to the drawing board.